Hey everyone, this is Ian Hari. So we're back now. So we're over here at South End, and it's a little windy right now, but I'll try to get the trains as best as I can, but I'm trying my best, okay? So we're at Newbern Street Station. This is going to be a part 2 of my video. I'm going to try to catch as many trains as I can. This video might be a little long, but hope you all enjoy it. The train will be here any minute, so it's coming. These crossings could be at. Now let's get a closer look at every area. So this is the Charlotte Rail Trail. So this is a Charlotte Rail Trail. So you got a nice area and you got nice things too. Yeah, real simplified. Sorry about that, my accent here. And you got some murals. You got a little playground for kids, and you have and you got 2 roads right there. You got the skyline, which is very nice, and you got 2 tracks for the Lynx Blue Line. The light rail line that operates is the Lynx Blue Line, and the train will be here any minute. I see some announcements come on. The train will be here any minute. So over here, I'm at Second Punch, and I'm making a video.
Maybe I gotta ask you who's coming in.
I put record on. I'm about to get a train in.
That sounds great, but listen, just relax. Okay, go enjoy yourself.
Yeah, I just entered. Okay. The train will be here any minute. I'm gonna be in a quieter spot so I don't hear that music. Hey, let's go right here. This is the perfect spot I can do. This is the perfect spot. Over there, these are electric scooters. People keep using electric scooters. Why do they keep doing that? I'm not sure why they keep doing that. For some reason. Oh, the train's coming. Here it is. This train's going to use your Series 2 cars. I mentioned this Steven S700, S70 Series 2 cars. Over these lights look nice, and they put advertisement and wraps on the train. Oh, another one's coming too. Oh, there's another one too. I'm gonna capture 2 trains. I'm gonna capture those 2 trains. There goes that one. This one. There goes that one. Usually, and this one's heading to I-485. There's another one. It's 322. We got 322, which is right there. Anyway, so we'll have more coming soon. I just captured 2, so this will be a full video I might do, but I might make the video a bit long, but that concert's gonna be a bit long. I might be making that video a bit long. But that's it now.